In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in and sign out to your Google Analytics account. Whether you're checking traffic for a website or reviewing a quick report, getting in and out of your account smoothly is essential, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Google Analytics website. You can type the address directly into the address bar or search for Google Analytics and click the official result. This will bring you to the sign-in page, which is connected to your Google account. Next, select the email you use for Google Analytics. If you're already signed into one or more Google accounts in your browser, you'll see them listed. Click the correct email associated with your Analytics access. If you manage more than one Google account, be sure to choose the one that actually has permissions for the Analytics property you want to view. After selecting your email, simply continue through the usual Google sign-in flow. In a moment, you'll land inside your Google Analytics account. Once you're in, you'll see the Analytics interface. Depending on your setup, you may start on a home screen or a dashboard for a specific property. That's perfectly normal. Take a second to confirm you're in the right place by glancing at the account and property names displayed near the top area of the page. If multiple properties are available to you, you can switch between them later, but for now, you're successfully signed in and ready to work. When you're finished and ready to sign out, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your Google profile photo or a circular icon with your initial. Click that profile icon to open a small menu. In that menu, click Sign Out. This action signs you out of your Google Analytics session, helping keep your data secure, especially important if you're on a shared or public computer. You should be taken back to a Google sign-in page or a confirmation screen indicating that you've signed out. That's all there is to it. Open the Google Analytics website, select the correct email to sign into your account, and when you're done, click your profile icon and choose Sign Out. Keep this simple routine in mind to move quickly and securely whenever you need to check your analytics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.